Ever feel like the world is just a lot right now? Maybe it is a big test at school, a bully, or just that weird feeling in your stomach when the lights go out. Stop! Before you let fear take over, you need to see this. We are opening the 2026 Ultimate Survival Guide to show you how 5 regular people, just like you, beat their biggest fears. I am talking about a guy who faced a literal giant with nothing but a pebble, and a girl who risked everything to save an entire kingdom. They were not superheroes, they were just brave. By the end of this video, you are going to have the exact same secret weapon they used to turn their oh no into a go time. Hero number 1 was literally hiding in a hole when God called him. Let us head to ancient Israel to meet Gideon. Meet Gideon. He was not a warrior. He was a farmer hiding in a hole because he was scared of the Midianite army. He probably thought, I am not strong enough. I am just a kid. Does that sound familiar? An angel appears and calls him a mighty hero. Gideon looks around like, who? Me? But God did not see a coward. He saw a leader. Gideon took a tiny army of 300 men, armed with nothing but trumpets and jars, and won. Remember, God sees the hero in you. Next up, Esther. She was a queen, but she had a terrifying secret. To save her people, she had to talk to the king without being invited. In those days, if the king did not like it, well, it was game over. Esther was shaking, but she remembered she was born for such a time as this. She stepped out in faith, spoke the truth, and saved thousands of lives. Bravery is doing it even when you are shaking. Quick, level up time. If you had to face a giant today, what would your secret weapon be? A. A super fast slingshot? A shield of faith? Or C. A loud shout of praise? Pause the video and comment your answer below. We are hearting the most creative ones. These 3 friends, Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, were told, bow down to the statue or go into the fiery furnace. Most people would have bowed. But these guys said, our God is able to save us, but even if he does not, we still will not bow. They were thrown in, but guess what? A 4th person appeared in the fire with them. It was Jesus. They walked out not even smelling like smoke. You are never alone in the fire. Finally, the disciples were in a boat during a hurricane. They were experts at sea, and even they were terrified. They woke up Jesus with just 3 words, peace, be still. The wind stopped instantly. Jesus asked them, why are you so afraid? Do you still have no faith? He was not mad. He was showing them that he is bigger than any storm. Repeat this after me. God is with me. God is for me. I'm a hero because he is my strength. You do not have to be perfect to be brave. You just have to trust the one who made you. If this helped you feel a little braver today, smash that like button and subscribe to the Bible Kids Room. See you in the next adventure.